This is Umair Hassan and I am going to solve exercise 2D of D2 7th edition. I am going to do question number 1 part B onwards as we have done part A in our base video. This is graphical solution of simultaneous equation. So we have two equations whose solution is to be obtained, but how? Using graphical method. This is interesting. Stay with me. Starting from question number 1 part B. This one. Okay. X minus y, we have two equation. X minus y is equal to minus 3 and x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. So first of all, let us discuss what is basically the demand of the examiner. They have asked you to solve this pair of simultaneous equation. Solve mean find the value of the variables involved. We have two variables over here, one is x and one is y. Now you will be getting a value of x and a value of y that will satisfy both these equations. That is called simultaneous equations, satisfied by the same values of x and y. How to do it graphically? Now graphically means we will be taking the help of a graph. And how to basically draw a graph? We will be considering, or we will be just taking some values of x, assuming some values of x, and we will find corresponding values of y for each of these equation. First of all, we have to find the set of points to draw the graph of this one and this one. When you will draw the graph, they will intersect at one point, and that point is the solution. Starting from here, you need to draw the graph of both these equations. Now we need to assume some values of x, and for that we need to find the value of y. Suppose x is 0, then 1 and then 2 for this equation. Then we will assume for the next one. When x is 0, okay, when you will use x equal to 0 over here, x is 0, you will get minus y equal to minus 3. You will get y equal to 3 as you will cancel minus on both the sides, so y is equal to 3. Now what is next? You will choose x equal to 1. In this equation, it will become 1 minus y equal to minus 3. So minus y will be equal to minus 3 minus 1. Minus y will be equal to minus 4. Cancel minus on both the sides, y will be equal to 4. We have 2 points right now that will help us to draw the line. Anyway, I am going to have the third point as well. Now when x is 2, when x is 2, what will be y? X is 2. So it will be 2 minus y equal to minus 3. So minus y will be equal to minus 3 minus 2. Minus y will be equal to minus 5. So y will be 5. Okay. Now go to the second equation and have set of points. Assume some values of x and find corresponding values of y for this one as well, in order to plot their graph. Now we have to solve them graphically. That's why we need to draw their graph, and the process is this. When x is 0, now when x is 0, use 0 over here. In place of x, use 0. It will be minus 2, y is equal to minus 1. Y will be equal to minus 1 over minus 2. Cancel minus in the numerator and denominator. Y will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay. When y is 1, sorry, when x is 1, when x is 1, use x1. It will be x minus 2y equal to minus 1. So 1 minus 2y equal to minus 1. From here, minus 2y equal to minus 1 minus 1. Minus 2y will be equal to minus 2. Cancel minus on both the sides. 2 over 2 will give you y1. This is how you are going to get the coordinates of the points for both these equations. Now after finding the set of the points on for each equation, you can plot the graph. Now for this equation, we have got these 3 set of points. Now 0, 3 is where? This is 0, this is 2. Okay, let me explain. This is x, this is y. So we have got a scale of 1. This unit is 2 basically. This is 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now when x is 0, y is 3. And x is 0, y is 3. This is 3. When x is 1, y is 4. When x is 1 over here, y is 4. When x is 2, y is 5. When x is 2, y is 5 over here. Now we got these 3 points. Join them with a straight line. You got the graph of this one. Now for the second equation, when x is 0, y is 1 by 2. X is 0, y is 1 by 2. This is 2, this is 1, this is 1 by 2. Okay. When x is 1, y is 1. X is 1, y is 1. x1, y1. Now 2 points are enough to make a line, so join them. Now the point of intersection of both these lines mean this point is the solution for the simultaneous equation, where the value of x is over here minus 5 and value of y is minus 2. So your answer is minus 5, the value for x, and y is minus 2. So this is solution for this part. Now in the next video I will be discussing the rest of the parts, so stay tuned. Thank you so much.